M0FXB, welcome to my videos on the NanoVNA H4 Network Analyzer. M0FXB, welcome to my videos about the NanoVNA. So let's set this one up for 80 meters UK. So what we'll do, the first thing we'll set the frequency. At the moment it's on 70 centimeters. So we'll tap the screen and we'll go back, tap it again, go to stimulus, start. We're going to go 3.5 megahertz, and then we'll tap it again, stop, 3.8 megahertz. Okay, now we need to calibrate, so we're going to tap the screen and we're going to go looking for calibrate, so we can't see it there. We'll go back and calibrate, and we're going to reset it, and then we're going to start the calibration process by tapping calibrate here. So calibrate, and we're looking for the open connector, so that's like a hole or an O. When you look inside it, it's like an O, so it's this one here. So we're going to screw it onto the channel 0 here, like that. Tap it. So if anyone says, what do I think of this item? I think it's very good. Under £40. Works well. So, and fun to use. So the next one is short. So you've got a little pointy bit there. And it's normally another brass one. Put that on. And then we're going to select short. You see the little line go across the top as it calibrates. Take it off, and then the next one is load, like so. Again, just tap. It's done that. Now the next one is to have them both open, so just unscrew that and click open. ISO. That's that. And the through one is joining them together. Now you get the leads in the box for this. So you just join them, and these leads are actually very handy. I think for what you get, it was £39. It's actually really good. And it has a built-in battery, of course. You don't have to use the touch screen. There's a wheel on the top, which I never use, but you can use that. So the through, tap that. And then we can take these off, like so. And then we're all set up for 80 meters then. Go done. Now there is another one. Let's save that to 0 for now. And that means when it boots up, it will boot up on 80 meters. Now, just check what it's showing here at the bottom. 3 to 3.8. Maybe, did I type that wrong? Start, it says 3 megahertz to 3.8, which would cover it, but did I type that wrong? Let's just double check. So we'll go back, we can just go to stimulus, start 3.5 megahertz, that's better, stop 3.8 megahertz, right, that's better, and we've already calibrated it. So next thing we're going to do is tell it we just want an SWR. So tap that, go back, look for display, and see it says trace. Tap that, and I know this is the Smith chart. We're just going to turn that off a minute. I haven't learned how to use that yet. So trace. So we're on the trace, which is the yellow line, and it says S11 SWR. Now to make sure we are doing SWR, go back, go to format, and look here. You can choose all these. Just I've chosen SWR. Of course, this device does way more than that. So we want the numbers to show as well. So we'll go back to display. We will choose scale, and then go scale here, and we're going to go I'm just going to choose 1 times 1. Okay, and it's still not showing it, so we'll go scale, and let's tap these things here. Actually no, that's not letting me. Let's try again. So tap this, and we don't tap scale, we just tap these, and then we can see the dots here. So 1 to 1 is at the bottom. Right, okay, so we've set that, we've told it SWR, we're on channel 0. Let's connect the antenna. I will just say that, see it says channel here. There you go. You can change the reflector and through. We want reflector. Let's go back. So this is the adapter I use. I actually got it for my 705 here, and it's got the SMA from the back of it to the VNA, but it actually bolts on the side of your 705, so you can use a PL259. So that's my G5RV going in there. So there you are. So it's connected up, 80 meters. It's telling me that my SWR is 3 and a bit, which I was expecting. Now there is more you can do with this. You can actually tap this here and move it along. You can use the wheel, but this is how you can do it. Like so. It's quite interesting. And then it shows the SWR as you go. Now the Smith chart, I need to learn about the Smith chart, but I know that if we go display, trace, turn on the Smith chart, then go back, then there's more information here. And again, it's showing you in the, now someone message me and tell me what Smith chart does, and I will be watching videos to learn myself. But you can move the wheel here as well, look. So it's telling you more information, and I think it's really good. You know, you think for the sake of 30 odd pound, and you get all this information, and this NanoVNA, it's H4 on eBay, will actually connect to your computer, and you can run a full program, a full screen program, and then you can do a lot more with this information, probably a lot easier on your PC. So I highly recommend these. So anyway, post this video about how to set up on 80 meters on the NanoVNA. Thanks for watching. 7.3, all the best.